Next step in our NetSuite step-by-step implementation is still classifications. You will notice in my last video I mentioned that these four essentially make up your classifications, and for the most part these three are your standard ones. Right, so I've dealt with department, now I'm going to look at classes. Right. So I'm going to go company, and you'll notice right under departments, actually sorry, it's locations first, but I'm looking at classes. Right, so I don't really have much use for classes, so I'm just going to set up maybe, let's say, recurring, and I'm going to set up non-recurring. Right, and so they are my two classes. Classes is normally described by NetSuite as revenue streams, right? So if you look at your published financial statements, if you have those, there's a fair chance that there might be some indication of your revenue streams. The markets normally find that quite important. Okay, so not going to spend much more time on classes at this point in time.